Web services are a huge resource of data and functions we can call from the Raspberry Pi Pico-W. Though these services are often commercial, for the developer there is also often a free tier. In this video I'm going to use 4 web services to build a weather forecast display using the Raspberry Pi Pico-W. Hi, I'm John, your concierge to the world of the Raspberry Pi Pico, robotics, IoT and other fun tech. Remember to subscribe and join my community. This is my 3-minute summary on how I called 4 web services to build this experience. If you have time, why not check out the full video? I'm going to talk about the web services I'm using and one approach to a software stack to do this on the Raspberry Pi Pico-W in C++. There's a lot of detail in how that stack works and skills in exploring and debugging web services that I just can't go into here. In our web service course on Udemy, we provide over 6 hours of video content, plus a large number of examples. There is a link to the course in the description. The output for our weather forecast is going to be an MSP2401 TFT screen that I've used in some recent videos, and for my name badge. I need quite a big software stack to call the web services, starting from the Pico's SDK, then FreeRTOS kernel to enable the IP stack to manage the sockets to be available, CYW43 to connect to Wi-Fi, LWIP for the IP stack itself and those sockets, then to secure those sockets with TLS using Wolf SSL library. That will be the transport for the FreeRTOS core HTTP library. The response of some of these services will be in JSON, and I use TinyJSON for parsing, plus wrapping all of this up into a library of my own. On my Udemy course, I give examples using ipgeolocation.io and openweathermaps.org. I was going to combine these, but I had a better idea. I'm going to get the location from Google Maps API so that then I can display a map of the location before displaying the weather forecast details. Finally, I'll get an icon which shows the weather to display too, all on the TFT display. So the location API comes from this endpoint and gives us a small JSON response, the latitude and longitude I can use to get a map of the location that's small enough to display on my little display. I reuse that latitude and longitude to get the weather forecast from openweathermaps.org and only use that data for display. Then I pull back an icon for the weather. Web services are really quite exciting, and I'm British and of course fascinated by the weather. There are web services out there that can do lots of other things, from financial data to sport. This took around 6 hours for me to build, from some great examples and a position of knowledge. Some of that time was just exploring and understanding the web services. Some of that time working with SPNG library to get maps to display correctly. The web service code was fairly simple to adapt from examples on my course over on Udemy. To help you out, there's a voucher for a discount to the course available for a limited time in the description. If this video or any of my videos helps you out, why not buy me a virtual cup of coffee or lunch to say thank you? There's now that super thanks feature live on my channel. Just click the button. Thank you very much for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please hit the like button and please subscribe to my channel so you don't miss the next video. Bye bye for now.